BCBAs, this is what an organized supervision session with a trainee actually looks like, part 7. Minute 5 to 35, it's the core work. Use the Micro-BST on one trainee skill. Anchor it to the real client data from skill acquisition or targeted behavior for reduction. Explain why and what. For example, you need to be fluent in analyzing and making decisions to increase progress, because you will be held accountable for this when writing reports in family guidance with insurance companies and potentially in court. Model, think aloud. I see that trend in the graph that every Monday in the morning session, mending plummets. Rehearsal, have the trainee do the skill in real time, such as observe the graph, provide hypotheses, and offer a solution for the following days. Use the same client you just reviewed, but not the same skill or behavior. Feedback, you described the trend, but you didn't tie it to a decision. Try finishing with, because of this trend, I will. What to expect from the trainee? Actively practices the skill. I don't have more time. Follow for part A to know generalization and plan application.